everyone and welcome back to Next Stitch Designs with me, Sylvia. In today's video, I am going to show you how to crochet foundation single crochet. So for today's video, I will be using this chunky yarn and also 5mm hook. So to start foundation single crochet, we are going to start with a slip knot. Hold your yarn and like so, wrap it around your 2 fingers and create a cross. Go under this first one, on top of the second one, pull it down and twist your hook like so and release. Now we are going to chain 2 for this single crochet one. So yarn over and pull through and yarn over and pull through. Now we have 2 chains. Next, we are going to look at it from the side like this. And we are going to insert our hook right here under this loop and this loop, like so. So let's do it again. So we chain 1 and 2. Now when you turn it to the side, you could clearly see these 2 loops. So 1 and 2. So we're gonna insert our hook under this one. And one more, like so. Now we are going to yarn over like so, and we are going to pull through those 2 loops. Pull through like so. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. We are going to yarn over and pull through only through this one here. So yarn over and pull through like so. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. And we are going to yarn over and pull through these 2 loops on your hook. So yarn over and pull through like so. And now we have single crochet and starting chain here as well. So we are going to do it one more time. Again, we are going to look from the side. As you can see, this V here. So we have loop here and loop here. That's our chain. So we are going to insert the hook like so. And we're gonna get another loop as well, like this. Now we are going to yarn over and pull through this 2 like so. Now we have these 2 loops. We are going to yarn over again and we are going to pull through only this loop. Yarn over, pull through like so, and yarn over and pull through these 2 like this. So now you have 2 single crochet right here, and that's your chain. So again, we are going to turn it like so, so you will see this chain here and the V's. Let me just grab a needle. So I have my needle so you will see better. So again, We have single crochet and single crochet. Turn it to the side, and now I will grab my needle, and you will go through one loop and the second when you turn it to the side. So again, find these loops on the side, so 1 and 2. Now we are going to yarn over and pull through these 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through these 2 like so. Now we are going to yarn over and pull through only this one. Yarn over, pull through this one only. And again, yarn over and you will pull through these 2. Yarn over, pull through like so. As you can see, this is our chain, and here are our single crochet created. 1, 2, and 3. Beautiful. So that's how you are going to continue. So again, turn it to the side, and you go through this one and this one. Insert through this one and this one like so. Yarn over, pull through, bring it up, yarn over, and then you will pull through only this first one, and then yarn over and you will pull through these 2 like so. And you can see this beautiful chain and your single crochet on top. So let's continue. So again, turn it to the side, go under this first one and this one. Yarn over, pull through these 2, bring it up, yarn over, pull through this first one, bring it up, and yarn over, pull through both. Your chain, your stitches, single crochet stitches, foundation, single crochet. Again, pull through these 2, pull through this first one, and pull through both like so. So I will do a few more, and then I show you how to continue for the next row. So I have done few more, and as you can see, it's looking amazing. Our chain and our single crochet on top. Now I am just going to chain 1 and turn my work, and now as you can see, all these V's are on top, so you would work as normal. Insert into the first one under this full V, and you would work your single crochet for the next row. So working your single crochet all the way down in a traditional normal way, like so. And the last one is here. Chain 1 and turn your work. And that's how you do foundation single crochet. don't forget to check another video for foundation half double crochet and also foundation double crochet. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to like it, share it, and of course don't forget to subscribe to my channel Unique Stitch Designs for more ideas from me, Sylvia. And of course don't forget to find me on social medias. I am on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest and TikTok. Thank you very much for watching.